Said we'd walk this road together. You promised me forevermore. I gave you all the love I had, but now you're walking out the door. Tell me, what did I do wrong? I gave you everything I had. Why did you leave me? Why did you choose somebody else? Why did you leave me? You broke every promise you made.
Every dream we built together has fallen like the pouring rain. Now I watch you hold another, while I'm left with all this pain.
Every word you used to tell me feels like echoes in the wind. Why did you leave me? Why did you choose somebody else? Why did you leave me? You broke every promise you made. I still remember every sunrise, every smile on your face. Now the silence fills the empty room where your loved ones had its place.
Friends keep saying time will heal me, but tonight it hurts the same. I'm still searching for the answer, why you walked away. If your love was fading slowly, you could have told me from the start.
The truth may leave a scar forever, but lies can break
A faithful
Why did you leave me? Why did you choose somebody else? Why did you leave me? You broke every promise you made. Why did you leave me? Was my love not enough for you? Why did you leave me? I'm still waiting for the truth.
Maybe someday I'll stop crying. Maybe someday I'll move on. But tonight my heart keeps asking, why did you leave me?